What's up, y'all? Hold on. Hey, y'all. Oh, Jesus. How y'all doing? Today's Sunday. I'm bored. Nothing going on. I'm washing clothes. Um, looking at some scripts. Looking at some things. Just trying to be as proactive as possible. No shame. I'm gonna go downstairs and put my clothes in the dryer now. You wanna come with me? You wanna come with me? Let's go, guys. So something else I plan on doing today is working on my makeup because I do have a show on Friday that I'm going to do. So nervous. So fucking nervous. So yo, I just did some foundation. So yo, I just did some foundation and some concealer, and I look flawless. Like, I'm really feeling my zhuzh right now. Like, I'm really. Alright, y'all, this is the face I just did. This is my look. I like it. I'm here for it. I think it's really cute. Very Christmas, very festive. Hope y'all enjoy it. It's just something I'm practicing because I have a show this weekend on the 22nd. So I'm just trying to, get my looks and things together. Hope y'all like it. So y'all, me and my friends, we all went out to eat last night. Went to Mellow Mushroom. It was lit. It was great. It was incredible. It was fun. So much fun. So much fun. But, girl, the gag is, honey, one of the servers and some customers got into a fight. I mean, physical altercation. They was throwing blows. You feel me? Like, the server was getting jumped by a party of women. Now, y'all, I don't condone jumping. I think it's weak. I think it's sad. I think it's horrible. And the fact that these women were all way fluffier than she was. And so now you got 9 women holding this lady back and then popping this girl. You know what I'm saying? Like, this shit is weak. If I don't talk to you, if I don't say nothing to you when I walk in a room, none of that other kind of stuff, that means I don't want to talk to you. That means I don't want to deal with you. So therefore, if I say something if I don't say anything, I don't want to talk. And it's not nothing against you or nothing about it. I'm just not in the mood to talk. So therefore, if you have a problem with that, then leave me alone. Leave me alone. Period. Cool? Great. Thanks. This is why I had to leave the house. I've been in the house all day. This is why I had to leave the house. Because nobody else wanted to do it. Roll Bounce is literally one of the best movies of all time. I love this movie. I have to own it one day. Alright, y'all. I'm just gonna watch my Real Housewives and be done for the night. I will see y'all tomorrow. 4 more days. 4 more days of vlogging.